Your car's engine has a hidden breaking point, and every drive could be pushing it closer to disaster. Most drivers have no idea they're damaging their engine until it's too late. Automakers put engines through extreme stress tests before releasing them. But in real-world driving, small mistakes can quietly wear yours down. The truth? Engine maintenance isn't just about oil changes and occasional checkups. It's about the everyday decisions you make behind the wheel. A well-maintained engine rewards you with smooth rides, better fuel economy, and a car that lasts for years. But neglect it, and you're signing up for sluggish performance, costly repairs, and exhaust smoke that could put a fog machine to shame. Want to avoid a breakdown that could drain your wallet? These 13 engine-saving tips are your blueprint for keeping your car running like new. But here's where it gets interesting. There's a hidden tip at the end that most drivers completely overlook. This single trick could save you thousands and prevent a total engine failure. Stick around, because if you miss it, you might just find yourself stranded with a seized engine and a repair bill you'll never forget. Tip number 1. Don't shut off your engine too soon. Cutting the engine immediately after stopping may seem harmless, but it can cause long-term damage, especially in turbocharged vehicles. Here's why. Turbochargers operate at extremely high temperatures, and switching off too soon can trap heat inside, causing the engine oil to overheat and degrade. Over time, this can lead to turbo failure, a costly repair no driver wants to face. The fix? Let your engine idle for 30 seconds to 1 minute before turning it off. This simple habit allows the turbo to cool down gradually and ensures that oil circulates properly, preventing residue buildup. It also helps the radiator and cooling fan regulate engine temperature, reducing sudden thermal shocks that could weaken engine components. Not sure if your car requires this? Check your owner's manual. Some modern vehicles have automated cooling systems that continue running even after shutdown. If yours does, you may not need to idle as long. Tip number 2. Stick to OEM parts for critical components. When it comes to essential engine parts, OEM, original equipment manufacturer components, are your safest bet. Choosing cheaper aftermarket parts might save you money up front, but in the long run, they can lead to serious engine problems. Here's what can go wrong with non-OEM parts. Thermostats. A subpar thermostat may fail to regulate engine temperature properly, leading to overheating or cooling inefficiencies, both of which can reduce engine performance and lifespan. Radiator caps. If an aftermarket radiator cap doesn't maintain the correct pressure, it can cause coolant loss and overheating, putting unnecessary stress on your engine. Water pumps. A poorly made water pump can develop leaks or fail prematurely, leading to rapid overheating or total engine failure. Timing belts. A low-quality timing belt may wear out faster or snap unexpectedly. If that happens, you're looking at catastrophic damage, including bent valves, ruined pistons, and a possible engine rebuild. Bottom line? When replacing critical engine components, always opt for OEM parts. They're designed to fit and function perfectly with your vehicle, preventing costly repairs down the road. Tip number 3. Replace transmission fluid. Keeping your transmission fluid fresh is crucial for smooth shifting and long-term reliability. Replace the transmission fluid as recommended by the manufacturer, typically every 30,000 to 60,000 miles. But if you frequently tow heavy loads or drive a vehicle with known transmission issues, go the extra mile. Install an auxiliary transmission cooler. This simple addition helps reduce oil temperatures, ensuring better lubrication and minimizing wear on critical components like clutch bands and gears. With proper maintenance, your transmission could last well over 500,000 miles. When servicing, make sure to replace all the fluid, not just part of it. Standard fluid changes often leave behind 40% to 60% of the old fluid, which can degrade performance over time. A DIY flush method ensures a complete replacement, keeping your transmission in peak condition for the long haul. Tip number 4. Lubricate O-rings. Dry O-rings can be a disaster waiting to happen. Without proper lubrication, they risk tearing, misalignment, and leaks, which can lead to system failure. The solution? Always lubricate O-rings before installation. Use a silicone-based lubricant like X100. It's safe for rubber and prevents unwanted chemical reactions. Apply the lubricant evenly, then insert the O-ring gently by hand. You should hear a soft pop when it's seated correctly. Avoid forcing it with tools or bolts. If it doesn't fit smoothly, check the alignment instead. A simple lubrication step can save you from costly repairs down the road. Tip number 5. Check your fuel system. Your car's fuel system is its lifeline, and neglecting it can lead to major performance issues. Start by never letting your fuel level drop below a quarter tank. Over time, sediment and water accumulate at the bottom of the fuel tank. Running on low fuel increases the risk of pulling debris into the fuel pump, clogging the filter, or even damaging fuel lines. Plus, the fuel pump relies on fuel for cooling. Frequent low fuel driving can cause it to overheat and fail. With replacements costing $500 or more, it's a risk not worth taking. To keep things running smoothly, replace your fuel filter as specified in your car's manual, usually every 50,000 kilometers. A clean filter prevents contaminants from reaching the engine, improving both performance and fuel efficiency. Fuel injectors should also be cleaned every 30,000 kilometers to ensure precise fuel delivery. Check your manual for replacement intervals, as they vary by model. Taking care of your fuel system isn't just about preventing breakdowns, it's about maintaining optimal engine power and fuel economy for years to come. Tip number 6. Check your engine cooling system. Your car's cooling system is the first line of defense against overheating, and neglecting it can lead to major performance issues. Start by checking the coolant level. You'll find the translucent expansion tank under the hood, usually filled with green or pink coolant. The level should always sit between the minimum and maximum marks. Low coolant can slow your car, hurt fuel efficiency, and even affect your AC performance. If it's low, top it up with the manufacturer-recommended coolant. Coolant replacement is also key. Conventional coolant should be changed every 20,000 kilometers or every 2 years. Extended life coolant can last up to 100,000 kilometers or 10 years. Next, inspect the radiator and fan. Road debris can bend radiator fins or cause leaks, which impact cooling efficiency. If the cooling fan isn't working, your engine may overheat when idling, so fix or replace it if necessary. Finally, check the water pump. It keeps coolant circulating. Inspect its belt for wear and tension. If it's worn or loose, replace it before it fails. Dirty coolant can clog radiator fins, short out sensors, or cause overheating, so using extended life antifreeze, which lasts 5 years or 150,000 miles and costs only a few dollars more, is a smart upgrade that can save you from costly repairs. Tip number 7. Prevent lack of lubrication. Engine damage from lack of lubrication can happen fast, but preventing it is surprisingly simple. First, change your oil on time. It may sound basic, but skipping oil changes means dirty oil circulates through your engine, reducing its ability to lubricate and protect vital components. Second, consider switching to synthetic oil, even if your car doesn't require it. Synthetic oil reduces friction, improves performance, and offers better protection for critical parts like piston rings and bearings. Another crucial step, use the correct oil viscosity. Your owner's manual specifies the right type. In my case, it's 10W30. Using the wrong thickness can mess with lubrication, especially during cold starts, when oil pressure hasn't yet built up. Startups cause the most engine wear because oil has yet to reach vital parts. After an oil change, it's even worse since the new filter is empty. To reduce startup wear, try these methods. Pre-fill the oil filter if it installs vertically. Disable the fuel system by pulling the fuel pump relay or injector fuse, and crank the engine for 3 10-second intervals to safely prime the system. Alternatively, use clear flood mode. Press the gas pedal fully down while cranking, and the clutch pedal if you drive a manual. This prevents fuel injection while allowing the oil pump to build pressure before ignition. Tip number 8. Engine warm-up. Forget the old-school long warm-ups. Modern engines don't need them. In fact, excessive idling wastes fuel, increases engine wear, and can shorten your engine's lifespan. Here's what to do instead. Start your car and let it run for about 30 seconds, then begin driving gently. Avoid revving the engine or pushing it hard right away. Keep RPMs low for 5 to 10 minutes and avoid full throttle until the engine warms up. Watch your temperature gauge. It's best to wait until it reaches the middle range before driving normally. Why does this matter? Cold oil doesn't flow as efficiently, which reduces its ability to protect engine components. Plus, a warmed-up catalytic converter can cut emissions by up to 90%. So, not only does this method protect your engine, it also helps the environment. Tip number 9. Avoid hard acceleration. Slamming the gas pedal might feel exhilarating, but it burns up to 30% more fuel, draining your wallet at every fill-up. Instead, press the accelerator gently and keep your RPMs below 3,000 during regular driving. When merging onto a highway, accelerate firmly but smoothly. Never floor the pedal unnecessarily. Why is this so important? Hard acceleration puts massive stress on tension belts. If one snaps, you're looking at a repair bill between $500 and $1,000. Plus, excessive acceleration increases engine temperature, which can shut down systems like your air conditioner, leaving you stuck in an overheated, uncomfortable ride. Smooth, controlled driving isn't just easier on your car. It saves money and keeps your engine running efficiently for years to come. Tip number 10. Clean or change your engine air filter. Your engine depends on clean air to function efficiently, and your air filter ensures dirt and debris don't clog the system. But when it gets dirty, it chokes engine performance and reduces fuel efficiency. Many drivers overlook this simple fix. Here's what you should do. Clean your air filter every 5,000 kilometers. Replace it every 20,000 kilometers, or sooner if it looks clogged or damaged. Check your owner's manual for your car's specific schedule. Cleaning it is easy, just remove the filter, tap it gently to remove dust, or use compressed air to blow debris out. If it's too worn or clogged, replace it. A new filter costs anywhere from $2 to $50, making this one of the cheapest and easiest maintenance tasks with a big impact on performance. Tip number 11. Replace the timing belt on time. If your engine has a timing belt, replacing it on schedule is non-negotiable, especially if it's an interference engine. The timing belt controls the precise movement of your intake and exhaust valves relative to your pistons. In an interference engine, the piston and valves occupy the same space inside the cylinder, but at different times. If the timing belt snaps or slips, the valves and pistons collide violently, leading to catastrophic engine failure that could require a complete rebuild or replacement. Don't gamble with your engine's life. Check your manual and replace the timing belt on time to avoid thousands in repair costs. Tip number 12. Don't ignore warning signs. Your car is always communicating with you. The key is knowing what to listen for. Ignoring these warning signs can lead to expensive repairs or even breakdowns. Here's what to watch out for. Squealing or ticking noises. This usually means a worn or slipping belt. Get it checked immediately. A quick fix costs around $100 to $200, but delaying could cost much more. Leaks under your car. Oil or coolant puddles mean something's wrong. Check your oil dipstick. It should always be between the minimum and maximum marks. Colored exhaust smoke. If your exhaust isn't clear, pay attention to the color. Black smoke. Your engine is burning too much fuel. Blue smoke. Your engine is burning oil. White smoke. Coolant may be leaking into the engine. Dashboard warning lights. These aren't decorations. They're serious alerts. Never ignore check engine, oil pressure, or coolant temperature warnings. They can mean the difference between a minor fix and an engine failure. The sooner you catch and fix these issues, the longer your engine will last, and the less money you'll waste on preventable repairs. Alright, you've made it this far. Now it's time for the ultimate engine performance hack that most drivers have never even heard of. Using water to clean your engine might sound crazy, but trust me, it's a safe, effective, and surprisingly simple method that can restore lost power, improve fuel economy, and even protect critical components from damage. Here's the deal. Over time, carbon buildup inside your engine acts like a clog, choking performance, reducing fuel efficiency, and putting extra stress on internal parts. But a simple trick called water injection can clear it out. No expensive treatments needed. How it works. When fine misted water enters the engine, it turns into steam due to the high temperatures. This steam naturally breaks down stubborn carbon deposits, scrubbing your engine clean from the inside. How to do it yourself. Use distilled water. Tap water leaves behind unwanted minerals. Warm up your engine to its normal operating temperature. With the engine idling, spray small bursts of mist into the intake manifold or throttle body. Just a light mist every second or two. Go slow. Let the steam work its magic. The result? Restored horsepower, smoother performance, better fuel economy, and even lower emissions. Don't ignore warning signs. Your car is always communicating with you, but it's like giving your engine a deep cleanse. Doing this every 20,000 miles keeps your car running like new. If you're unsure about trying it yourself, consult a trusted mechanic. They'll know exactly how to do it. Thanks for sticking around. If you found these tips helpful, subscribe for more insider vehicle maintenance tips. And next, don't miss 13 car maintenance tips mechanics hope you never learn. It's packed with game-changing secrets you won't want to skip.